How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Where are you from?
I'm from Pakistan.
How old are you?
I'm 28 years old.
What do you do?
I'm a teacher.
Are you a student?
Yes, I am.
Are you married?
No, I'm single.
Can I know your age?
Sure, I'm 25.
Where do you live?
I live in Karachi.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 a.m.
Do you eat breakfast?
Yes, I do.
What do you usually eat for breakfast?
I eat bread and eggs.
Do you go to work daily?
Yes, except Sunday.
What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 11 p.m.
Do you like tea or coffee?
I like tea.
How do you go to work?
I go by bus.
Do you use social media?
Yes, I use Facebook.
Do you read books?
Yes, I love books.
What do you do on weekends?
I relax and watch TV.
Do you have siblings?
Yes, I have two brothers.
Do you love your parents?
Of course I do.
Who is your best friend?
My best friend is Ahmed.
Do you play with your niece?
Yes, she is very cute.
Do you help your family?
Yes, I always help them.
Do you live with your parents?
Yes, I do.
Do you respect your elders?
Yes, I respect them.
Do you miss your friends?
Yes, I miss them a lot.
Do you share secrets with friends?
Sometimes I do.
Do you call your relatives often?
Yes, once a week.
Do you like English?
Yes, very much.
Who is your teacher?
My teacher is Mr. Khan.
Do you do homework daily?
Yes, I try to.
Do you read in the library?
Yes, I do.
Which subject do you like?
I like English.
Do you learn new words daily?
Yes, I learn 5 words.
Do you attend class regularly?
Yes, I do.
Do you ask questions in class?
Yes, sometimes.
Do you like grammar?
Yes, it helps me.
Do you want to be a teacher?
Yes, that's my dream.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, I love it.
Have you been to Lahore?
Yes, many times.
Do you like beaches?
Yes, they are relaxing.
Do you want to visit America?
Yes, I really want to.
Do you travel by train?
Sometimes I do.
Do you like mountains?
Yes, they are beautiful.
Do you enjoy long drives?
Yes, with friends.
Do you visit new places?
Yes, whenever I can.
Do you take photos when traveling?
Yes, I love photography.
Do you use Google Maps?
Yes, for directions.
Do you like pizza?
Yes, I love it.
Do you eat fast food?
Yes, sometimes.
Do you like fruits?
Yes, apples are my favorite.
Do you eat vegetables?
Yes, they are healthy.
Do you drink milk?
Yes, every day.
Do you like sweets?
Yes, I love chocolate.
Do you cook at home?
Yes, I cook rice.
Do you like spicy food?
Yes, very much.
Do you drink water often?
Yes, I drink a lot.
Do you like ice cream?
Yes, it's delicious.
Do you like movies?
Yes, I watch action movies.
Do you listen to music?
Yes, I enjoy it.
Do you play games?
Yes, I play cricket.
Do you use YouTube?
Yes, every day.
Do you like reading novels?
Yes, sometimes.
Do you dance?
No, I don't.
Do you watch news?
Yes, daily.
Do you like painting?
Yes, it's fun.
Do you play guitar?
No, I don't.
Do you enjoy comedy shows?
Yes, they are funny.
Do you use a computer?
Yes, for work.
Do you like mobile games?
Yes, I do.
Do you use WhatsApp?
Yes, I chat daily.
Do you shop online?
Yes, sometimes.
Do you use email?
Yes, for work.
Do you watch TikTok?
No, I don't.
Do you know MS Word?
Yes, I can use it.
Do you know Excel?
Yes, a little.
Do you like technology?
Yes, it's helpful.
Do you play online games?
Yes, sometimes.
Do you exercise daily?
Yes, I walk.
Do you drink enough water?
Yes, I do.
Do you sleep well?
Yes, mostly.
Do you go to the doctor?
Yes, when needed.
Do you like sports?
Yes, cricket.
Do you smoke?
No, I don't.
Do you eat healthy food?
Yes, I try.
Do you feel happy today?
Yes, very happy.
Do you wear glasses?
Yes, I do.
Do you take vitamins?
Yes, sometimes.
Do you like animals?
Yes, I love cats.
Do you keep pets?
Yes, a dog.
Do you like shopping?
Yes, I do.
Do you wear a watch?
Yes, always.
Do you like winter?
Yes, I love it.
Do you like summer?
No, it's too hot.
Do you celebrate birthdays?
Yes, with friends.
Do you like rain?
Yes, very much.
Do you like flowers?
Yes, roses are my favorite.
Do you believe in dreams?
Yes, I do.